Okay, so you can check out the channel. One or two, okay. Okay. So here I uh yeah, I posted yesterday's lesson on YouTube. So part of it I trimmed part of it as well, so that it's easier to see. Yesterday there were two parts of the lesson. I'm sure you have it also. I saw you. Oh no, I took it from you yesterday. You said you were ready to get it. So there's two parts to yesterday's lesson. The first one was the problem. Seems like most of you were okay with it, except some of you are not ready to get it. So if you need help with yesterday's work problems and you have not completed them, then this one is the one you click on. To find out about what was the hands-on thing, hands-on that we are doing in class, you can click on here. All right. You will get to see some of our friends featuring as cameraman, okay, and live guests and action stars pouring and filling water. Okay, now, so next Friday is the test. I'm going to have to say it one more time. Next Friday's test includes fraction, area of triangles, as well as volume. So three very big content topics. By next Thursday, we should be doing revision in class. So we'll be doing mostly corrections and revision. We'll do Monday and Tuesday, the word problems. We'll, same as the previous topics, some of the questions I've already posted there. I have not opened it up yet, but some of the questions I've recorded and posted them on YouTube already. So there are, as you can see, there are many, many problems. We will not be able to complete all the problems by Tuesday. So on Wednesday, the public holiday for Labor Day, you need to be catching up on your own. Okay, there's just so much we can do in class. And you have to revise also on your own how you can solve the problems without the help. So yesterday I noticed that some of you have already started like working out these questions because you realize that it's manageable, not that difficult. So I'm on page 152. These are level 1 questions. You realize the level 2 questions on the other side here on page 153. So on page 152, here's the part where I tell you that why I really choose to highlight from bottom up. So you can see clearly, like it's partially filled with water. So water cannot be floating in the air. And yesterday we found the key question that help us to link these liters and milliliters units used in volume of liquids like water. How do we connect these with volumes of cuboids and cubes in cubic centimeters and cubic meters? And then the key question is, how can we turn this water into a cuboid? And the answer was to freeze it, like an ice cuboid. So if you look at this, the same principles will apply. Only the additional step, you need to answer these questions in the units of liters and milliliters. That means it cannot be that you are using this. So you need to convert from cubic centimeters to liters and milliliters. And the most important tip yesterday we talked about, number one, memorizing the quantities. So this was what Ethan shared, how he did this so quickly. He said he remembers this very well. 1 liters equals to 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters is equals to 1,000 cm cubic centimeters. That is because 1 milliliter is equals to 1 cubic centimeter. So I could connect 1 liter to 1,000. Okay, so cannot see properly. Right. Ethan, may I trouble you to turn off the first rows of light? Thank you. So bright. So I can connect this as a result that 1 liter equals to 1,000 cubic centimeters. And the other tip we were talking about is when you are doing conversion, from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you do multiplication. And from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you do division. Okay, now, so back to here. So now that we are very able to understand this as ice cuboid, turning the water into solids, then you can tell that I can use the same length, breadth, height to solve the question. But in this case, you're not talking about the height of the container. You're not talking about how tall the container is. You are talking about how tall the water level is, or the depth of the water level. So in this case, length, breadth, height will be 26 centimeter times 15 centimeter times 3 centimeter. So for this question, I will do maybe 26 times 3 first because that's the bigger number. So 26 times 3 give me 78. From 78 multiply by 15. A reminder again, please do not combine your workings into one. It has to be separate. If you combine your workings, like you write, continue to write 17 times 15, that is minus half a mark for wrong use of equal sign. Okay, 8 times 5, 40, 3 times 7 times 5, 35. Yeah, I have not finished yet. 78, I do 26 times 3 first, that's 78. 78 multiplies with 15. 8 times 5 is 40, 7 times 5 is 35. So 35 plus 4 is 39. Then, remember to put in a 0 here. I noticed when I was marking your words, a lot of you forget to add in the 0 here for the place value. It's 78 times 10. This is in the tens place. So you've got to put in the 0 here before you write 7 and 8. It's 78 times 10, so it's 780 actually. So after you align the place value, sorry, this is not very accurate. 8 should be aligned with, okay, I wrote a little too big. I wanted to emphasize, make sure you align your place value and include the 0. Because it's 78 times 10. A lot of you write 78 immediately are under 390. So that is like basic multiplication, you are making mistakes with that. But it's common, so you got to go through that. So 9 and 8 is aligned, so 9, 8, 17, and this is 11. So the answer will be 1170 cm cubic centimeters. Then I need to from here convert to liters and milliliters. So what I can do is I can from here, I break it down to 1000 plus 170. So that this okay, this 1000 cm³ can be equals to 1 liter and 100 is 1 liter and 170 milliliter. Sorry for the mistakes. Not very good at multitasking, thinking and writing and talking at the same time. So I'm converting this 1000 cm³ to 1 liter. Okay, so this whole process, the only challenging part is number one, recognizing that you are talking about the height of the water, not the height of the tank. So the height of the water is 3. Then multiplying. For some of us, your multiplication is a bit challenging. You really need to practice the times table and long multiplication. The last part is the conversion. Okay, with that said, you can do this on your own, DIY, because it's not that difficult. There's a little bit of a tricky part here because it gives you the height of the container. But once you already figure out your mind to be very clear that what you needed was the height of the water, not the height of the container, then okay. Sorry? Question 5. Yeah, hold on. So yeah, you can go on to that. So this is for you to work on it, okay? So volume of the water is 18 centimeter times 14 centimeter times 9 centimeter. So you are looking at the height of the water. So if you freeze this, is the cuboid inside. Okay? Then the last part. So after you multiply is cubic centimeter. From cubic centimeter, you need to convert to liters and milliliters. Okay, then the next question. Then this question becomes even more challenging. Because there's this conversion, then conversion. Now, you realize this is in meters. But if I have to convert these to liters and milliliters, it's going to be challenging. Which question are you talking about? This one? If it doesn't have, if there's nothing here, then do it. Okay. So this one here, I will ask an important question. If I find the volume, for this one, you see, can you recognize the first tricky part? There are 2 height measurements given here. Okay? Good. You are able to figure that out. So for this one, the challenge here is I have the dimension of the tank. Okay? Length, breadth, height. This is tank. The tank is 27. That's how long? 27 meters. The breadth is 25 meters. And then the tank is 22 meters tall. Then the question asks for volume of water. Do we use 22? No. So, yeah, so this, okay, very good. All of us are quite able to get that information, that partially hidden information about the height of the water level. Yeah, zooming in. Can see? Whoops, sorry. Then, so this was the information that's provided. The tank is 27 meters long. The tank is 25 meters wide. The tank is 22 meters tall. It says it's partially filled with water, only a bit. It does not give you the height of the water level. So this is a partially hidden information. So I have to find that partially hidden information. There is 22 minus 16, there is 6 meters, correct? So this is the part that we have to figure out. Now, then here comes an important question. The previous, you got this down already? So Ryan, maybe because you finished already, I asked you the question, okay? In this question, just now the question, this one, this question needs us to convert to liter and milliliter, liter and milliliter. This question, need or not? How? And Darren said no need. What about you? Need to convert or not? What would be the units for this question? Do you write down units? Okay, what is the units for your answer? Oh, milliliters? Is cubic meters, that's correct. So Ryan, that's the wrong units. If you know milliliters, that's minus half. Okay, so you really need to pay attention. Have you got these things down already? So the very important part of this question is number one, you need to recognize. That's why race is so important. Before I start doing that question, I will remind myself what is that units that I need to get. And the question didn't ask for conversion from liters to milliliters. So my answer, look, is it cubic centimeter? No, it's not. It will be meters times meter times meter. So it's meter, cubic meters. This will be the answer you need. It will not be liters and it will not be milliliters because think about the conversion again. The conversion here, 1 liter is equals to 1,000 cubic centimeter. How many meter cube is that? Don't know actually. No? This is cubic. You know what I'm talking about? This is centimeter cube. This is centimeter cube. I'm going to pull up the ruler for you to see. Do you know what's 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter. That meter is there. One centimeter cube. This is 1 centimeter cube. This is how big it is. So 1 centimeter is the so small. No, microscopy is very, very small. Microscopy is the size of bacteria. You can't even see it with your bare eyes. Okay? This is 1 cm cube. What is 1 meter cube? No, it's small. This wide. Let me see. It's a cube. Even bigger than your paper. Can you imagine the 1 meter cube? I think I can even fit more inside. It's quite big, 1 meter. And then like this. It's like a pretty then I think center can sit comfortably inside. It's quite big, you can sit down inside, really, it's quite big. 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. Compared to this. You know what I'm talking about? And then even a thousand of it will be bigger. This is CF, right? 1 meter. Even with the original maybe bigger than this. I give you 1,000. 1,000 centimeters. Maybe it will be bigger than 1 meter. And so it's not, it's so much. This is a 1,000 cubic meter. This is a 1 meter. Imagine This attack resistance so much smaller. So if you're really talking about conversion squares and close, 1 meter is how many centimeters? 1,000. 100. 1 kilometer, that is 1,000 meters. Your units are. So if 1 meter is 1,100 centimeters, then this will be 1,000,000. Okay? Then we talk about okay, then we talk about meter cube, right? So if volume is 10 times breadth times height, so 1 meter times 1 meter, then times another 1 meter. That will be 1 times 1 times 1, 1 cubic meter. So we're talking about two days like this, 1 meter long, 1 meter tall, 1 meter wide. Okay? Your 1 meter cube. How exactly does it compare? So 1 meter, 100, right? 100, right? 100, right? What will be the answer? One, zero, 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 zero. How many you get? 1 million. Will be 1 million of this. Okay? Will be 1 million of this. How many liters is this? We say 1 liter is 1,000. So from bigger unit, smaller unit to bigger unit. You divide, smaller unit to bigger unit. So I divide by 1,000. Will be 1,000 liters. You know what 1,000 liters is? 1,000 of the water yesterday. Okay? So guys, Ryan, the units make a lot of difference. So here, this cubic meter, you cannot immediately change it to meters. If you want to change it to meter or milliliters, that means I must convert to cubic centimeter first. Ryan, you know what I say? So that's 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube is 1 million cubic centimeters. Yeah, do you understand that? It's very important, you know. So you must pay attention. This question, do you need to convert or not? No need. Your answer will be in cubic meters. Okay, I'll leave you to solve this. Moving on to the next question, level 2 now. DIY, you solve the rest of your own. So this one, no need. Okay, no need to convert. It will be 27 times 25 times 6. Meter times meter times meter. Then you will get an answer as cubic meters. That's all. Not too difficult, right? If you need to convert, then that's very scary. In this case, it didn't ask you to convert, so this is fine. You must pay attention when you need to convert, when you don't need to convert. Okay, moving on to page 153. You can tell the difference, right? This page, the question, 2 questions in 1 page. Then, on following page, page 155, 1 question, 1 whole page. So this one will be 4 to 5 marks. This one will be 2 to 3 marks. Okay? Okay, so express the answer in liters and milliliters. That's page 153. So I'll write my reminder here. 1 milliliter equals to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliter equals to 1,000 cubic centimeter. Too fast? Huh? Can So this is the rectangular tank. It gives you the measurement 21 by 15. Hey, Ethan, since you are free now, do you want to do the recording? You want to try out the recording? You have already completed the questions, right? You can try to record an explanatory video. You take out one of the computer inside. Any questions that you feel that you're confident of explaining to your friends, like how I explained. You have finished with which question? These two? Yeah, are you confident of recording it? I'm sure if you feel like you want to try out, I no problem with that. Go and take a computer. Go. You've already done 1 and 2 on your own, and you're feeling confident that try it out. Okay, we can try out recording. If you don't feel confident of sharing with your friends yet, never mind. You share with me first. Anybody want to try out? Go take the computer. If you're already done with question 1 and 2, then I don't see why you need to sit here and listen to me repeat what you already know. Okay? Anybody else want to try? Yeah. Okay? It should be open. You turn lift it up the flap. Lift up the flap and turn it. No, the flap. Ethan, can you help him? Help yourself to take one also. Ethan, take one also. Okay, I'll share with you the login screen. Guys, you can do this at home also. Can also do. Where is it? You can log in, turn on the device. It's the iPad, is it? Okay, let me find out here. Okay, the flip grid. So, okay, we have about 20 minutes. Does everybody want to try as well, actually? Okay, how about this, guys? Let me share. Okay, now, question 156 on page, question 2, sorry. Hold on. Can everybody take note of this? I say this first. This is page 156, question 2. You have it, right? This is on YouTube. Can this be your homework? Okay, you go and check. Page 156, question 2. Then, cannot. Then, page 153 DIY. Is that okay? These are slightly easier. Okay. So your homework is page 152, we just kind of did it, but I didn't give you the answers. You work through it yourself, okay? Page 153, you try as homework. And page 156, hold on, let me finish speaking. Page 156, question 2, this is on YouTube already. Okay? Then now I will continue to go through. If you're ready, you ask your person in your room, whoever is free, pick up the iPad for you. I haven't put it in yet. I will do it later this afternoon. Okay? Okay? This is on YouTube already. So if you're ready, I will spend the remaining time to let you try to log on to YouTube. Yes, go pick. Okay? Huh? Okay, I show you what which part you can do, okay? Here. Okay, so this one, okay, for starters, if you feel stressed about it, you can choose any of these topics. Today I feel, okay, I'll share this. I'll share a word of thanks. Okay, maybe this one easier though. Today I feel. Why not? Well, you can you can control who you share with. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be like 1 whole minute of recording. It can be just 10 seconds. Hey guys, today I feel like that.